Hey, good morning, Wolfpack, and a good Tuesday morning to you. Hopefully it won't be as hot as it was yesterday. 92 degrees, which is our second latest 90-degree reading ever in Raleigh. So yesterday was truly remarkable when we're talking about heat, and it was just generally awful. It was almost as if Raleigh was baking inside oven. I mean, at least that's what it felt like to me when I was walking out my door and heading to work yesterday. So here's a graphic that depicts the different moisture levels in the atmosphere. Not only is it hot, but it's also pretty humid. And basically, these blues and these greens show where humidity and high moisture levels exist, and these browns show where, well, it's kind of dry. So this is Nate. This goes back in time a little bit, and it kind of shows how Hurricane Nate, when it made landfall, pretty much brought an entourage of moisture throughout the eastern seaboard. So not only did Nate bring, now watch this, Nate comes, it brings all of this blue and green into the graphic, and it just stays there like some unwelcome guests, like someone who just is crashing on your couch and they're saying, hey, I'm going to stay here for a while. And that's unfortunate. And what's keeping this locked in place is this really stagnant upper air pattern. So this is a satellite. You may notice this thing spinning over Raleigh. This is a ridge of high pressure. Now, over Raleigh, even though it's spinning, there's really nothing moving over us whatsoever. And that's because it's actually spinning like over us. Our weather is going to be acting like a broken record in two ways. Not only is it going to be repeating, but it's also a record spins around something, and Raleigh will be this weather will be spinning around Raleigh. That's the point I was trying to get at. So for your class-by-class outlook, 76 degrees at 9 a.m., 82 at noon, and finally, when you're departing class or maybe getting off work early at 3 o'clock, 85. It's going to be pretty hot again tomorrow. I don't think 92, but, you know, upper 80s are not out of the question. I'm thinking 86 degrees of sun and a few showers possible. We saw some pop-up showers today east of Raleigh, and I think that's not out of the question today as well. Now for tonight, 73 degrees, muggy and cloudy conditions with winds out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour, so don't worry about the winds too much. And tomorrow, another repeat of today, 86 degrees, sun and showers, winds east at 5 miles per hour. Now, are we going to see any relief? Well, hopefully by nearing the end of this week, we're going to see a high pressure system develop across Pennsylvania and New York. And this is the clockwise flow around this high pressure system could give us a backdoor front. So imagine this is a cold front right here. Instead of coming in from the west, it's going to come in from the northeast and push cold air from pretty much from the ocean. And that's going to hopefully moderate our temperatures by the end of this week. And see on Thursday and Friday, 76 degrees is a high. Now, that's still pretty hot for this time of year, but it's not the 80-degree temperatures we have been dealing with lately. So it is definitely welcome relief. And that's going to be good because one of the most notable fall events of for October, the North Carolina State Fair, that's starting to wind up this coming Thursday. So if you're heading out for that, small rain chances and moderate temperatures, it should be a nice climb. Unfortunately, take it while it lasts because temperatures start to rise around Saturday up to 81 degrees.